Welcome to week 2 of session 5. We are in the AIMS, Advanced Media Entertainment Society's session for competition. And we're going to go over the things we're focusing on this week. You can see on screen right now I have game design up. So you're working on the pillars of your game with a slideshow. You're also working on the flow chart. And once those things are done, we're going to pitch them to class in a couple days. But go ahead and continue working. Build out the GDD. The GDD needs to really be developed before we really move on with all the next steps. So that's the continuum this week. In film, a similar kind of idea. So your team got together, you have a genre you're kind of picking, plot diagram and story arc. I gave you a piece of paper on both sides. I want you to fill out both of those things today. Figure out this stuff. How's the story going to work? Then take pictures, put them in your Google Drive and link them here, okay? So I'm thinking Google Drive folder with both pictures in it so we can see them. So again, just take a picture with your phone or something like that, and that would be awesome. Mood board is a slideshow that has screenshots, images, similar things that you imagine seeing in the film. That'll be the next thing you're working on. Both of these are to fine-tune what you're doing as a team. Then look at scenes that are going to be helpful, so specific films, and then I want you to link to a scene that relates to your role, what you're doing for your team, for you, part of your SMART goal thing that you would like to accomplish. So again, you're working on that this week. For School of Rock, you are filling in pages 11 and 12 in the songwriting journal, and I gave that to you last week. So fill in this stuff as much as you can. Then right here behind the song, this helps kind of clarify. So work as your team, get a pen or pencil or something like that, and fill this in. And then you're deciding your vertical slice. You're going to do about 8 measures of either a verse, of chorus, something that you're going to work on. And you're going to work on that the rest of Monday and then Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we're pitching those ideas to the class. And essentially the class is going to walk around. You'll play at your workstation what you've worked on so far. Everybody will be playing at the same time. That's the plan. Look at the assignments over here in Schoology as always for all classes. Keep up on that. And that's it. All right, here we go.